Hey guys, it's Brad from BBP Boxing Bootcamp and welcome to a boxing bag drill or a pad drill. So if you've got someone who can hold the pads for you as well, this is a great drill. A great drill to do at boot camp if you're a boot camp owner, or a great drill to do on the bag if you've got a bag at home and you're unsure what combinations to throw or what to do on the boxing bag, yeah? What we're gonna do, this is a accumulator drill. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna start off the first 60 seconds with a 4-punch combination. Then we're gonna move into minute 2. Then we're gonna add another punch to the combination, so that'd be 5 punches, and then we're going to go into minute 3. Then we're going to add another punch, so then it's going to end up being a 6-punch combination, 3-minute workout. Yeah, so you're going to continuously do the same combination on the bag for 60 seconds. So you hear the bell, then you add the next punch on, you hear the bell again for the 3rd minute, you add the next punch on. So yeah, this is going to be tough. So it's a 3-minute round, so those pro style boxing rounds, but it's a great drill for you to get moving on the bag and get a good decent workout in on the bag. Okay, here it comes. The first combination, so the starting combination that we're doing, the 4-punch combination. So minute 1 is going to be, so we're on the bag, we're going jab, backhand, lead hook, backhand. So a nice 1-2 left hook backhand there. So you're on the bag, got up, bang, 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 bang. That's combination 1. So just going to jump on the bag, show you a few. There it comes. So once you've done that for a minute, 1-2 lead hook backhand, then go into minute 2, then we add one on to the combination. So we're gonna go, this time we're gonna do those 4 punches that we just did. So 1-2 lead hook backhand, then we're gonna throw another backhand after that. So we're adding another backhand, or if you're in the orthodox stance, adding that, another right hand. The key is to this, as you throw it, so we're going 1-2 lead hook backhand. After you throw that, we want the backhand to come back to the chin again and then come out again. So we're not going 1-2 hook backhand, backhand like that. We're bringing them all the way back. So I'll jump on the bag now, show you guys. Here it comes. So we're going to jump into the 3rd minute now, guys. We're going to add another punch on to accumulate. That's why it's called an accumulator. So obviously you can do this at home as well. You can add different ones on. So you start off with the combination, then you just add another punch on per every 60 seconds. Okay, so now the last combination that we're going to do on minute 3. So once the bell goes into minute 3, we're going to do what we just done. So 1-2 lead hook, backhand, backhand, and then we're going to finish with the left hook after that. So we're adding another left hook on. So 1-2 lead hook, backhand, backhand, lead hook. Yeah, jump on the bag again, show you. So this is the 3rd minute. Let's get to work. Here it comes. Those 3-minute rounds are unforgiving. These professional boxers don't get enough credit for to be slugging through those 3-minute rounds for 12 rounds. Imagine that. So you say you've done that, aim to do 2 to 4 rounds on that. That's a good bag workout. Yeah, let me know what you thought of it. Let me know in the comments who you are. If you don't know what to say in the comments, just give me a hello so I know you're there. And consider subscribing, because we have workouts like this all the time. Strength and conditioning workouts for boxing, or for you guys who are hardcore at home, want to live your best life at home. Or if you've got a bag at home, or if you're a bootcamp instructor, you want to do a little bit of boxing, you don't know what combinations to use, got videos like this coming out all the time, guys, yeah? So that's the workout today. Nice bag accumulation drill, great drill, very simple. So you just keep adding on those extra combinations, the extra punches to build up the combinations. And then as you're in that 60 seconds of doing the first combination, and you can continuously doing the same shots, it helps you get used to those shots as well. As you're doing those for 60 seconds and you ain't stood around the bag thinking what shot shall I throw. Okay guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.